Alright, so I keep the boat in the garage all summer long. I don't want a lot of debris and rain, water, and all that to get in it. We park the cars outside. The garage is only for winter. And as you can see, I made this top. This is pretty basic. Plywood, 2x4s, some trim. Cover it with plastic. It's kind of a bear, to get on and off, but it keeps the snow and debris and rain out of the boat in the winter for the most part. And I don't know, we'll see when we get inside, take a look to see if it kept the mice out. First year I had it, it did. Last year some mice ended up finding their way in there, but all right. So now the goal is to pull the cover off. Karen will come out and help me with that, and then start cleaning up the boat and then putting the motor on. All right. Well, me and Karen got the plywood top off it. You didn't need to see that. It wasn't pretty. A little bit of water in the back, but not much. And last year it was loaded with mice. So let's see. The battery box is clean, and that's why right there. Mothballs, no mice. It's gonna be easy cleanup. Yes, sir. That old plywood top really does the trick. All right. All right, let me show you what I got here. I put the battery up front. I built this this deck so I'd have a place to put a chair, and then place for the battery. Wanted to get some weight up in the front. Had the battery up there, the anchor's up there. This just closes up. I ran the wire, which is a main house wire, back down through this conduit. And then I kind of had this junction box. Actually, the guy I bought this boat, Calvin, he had this box made, and I liked the idea. I expanded on it a little bit. So, positive and negative terminals, and everything hooks up directly up to the battery. So the engine will hook up to this, the trolling motor hooks up to this, and the fish finder all hook up to this one junction box. Kind of cool. It keeps everything nice and tidy. About ready to put the motor on now. I got the motor on the boat. That I didn't video that, but that was my neighbor Charlie came up, young kid, 29 years old, I think, strong as a bull. And the problem is, it was wedged on the storage unit. So I got the motor on with Charlie's help. Now I'm bolting it on. I like to use a couple through the transom bolts to make sure it's good and secure instead of just the clamps. All right, motor is on. I'll hook up the power, the fuel, and I'll start her up, see if she's running. Give that enough slack so I can turn the motor in all directions. Have everything tucked in as clean as possible. All right, see how everything works. Oh yeah, trolling motor's good. Let's see what's up with the big motor. Safety tether on. Put her in neutral. Pull out the choke. Not bad for sitting all winter. Sweet. All right. The boat, she's ready to rock. All right. Well, here's the boat. Just about all ready to go. So let me give you a quick tour. So start in the back. I got this 4-stroke 15-horse Johnson. Got a great deal on that motor when I bought that from my buddy Hermie. It's electric start, which I really like. There's a fuel tank over there. All the electronics are hooked up in here. Fire extinguisher, pee bottle, extra plug over there, and a whistle. Swivel seats, 3 swivel seats. The battery's up in the very front. Little weight distribution. Got a Humminbird fish finder there. Yeah, she ain't pretty, but she does the job. So, yeah, I'm happy with this boat. This boat has been great. I've had this now for 3 years. Got the trolling motor on the back. Would like to have one on the front, but really the boat's not set up for it. So get it registered this week, and when we come back from Utah, that baby's hitting the water. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the water.